Welcome back to the channel where smart tech meets real life. Light bulb. Today, we're diving into the world of intelligent cleaning, and trust me, this MONSGA robot vacuum might just blow your mind. Let's get started. First place metal MONSGA robot vacuum and mop combo, the smartest way to clean. The MONSGA robot vacuum cleaner isn't just another gadget, it's a full-service home cleaning system. Powered by an incredible 6,000 pascals of suction strength, this intelligent cleaner picks up everything from the finest dust to the most stubborn pet hair, leaving every inch of your floor spotless. But what makes MONSGA truly special is how it thinks. Thanks to its advanced LiDAR navigation, it learns the layout of your home with military precision, mapping every room, detecting obstacles, and cleaning exactly where you tell it to. Want to skip the kids' room? Focus on the kitchen? Just tap it on your phone. MONSGA understands, plans, and gets to work. And yes, it's voice-activated too. Simply say, "Alexa, tell MONSGA to start cleaning," and watch it spring into action. It doesn't just clean, it listens. This robot is designed for convenience. With 3-in-1 functionality, it vacuums, mops, and empties itself automatically into a self-cleaning station. No more bending, no mess, no dust, just a floor so clean you'll feel it when you walk barefoot. With up to 180 minutes of continuous runtime, MONSGA can handle even large spaces effortlessly, always returning to recharge and finish the job on its own. This is more than a robot. It's freedom. Right finger available now on Amazon. https://amzn.to/4k1uj. But the MONSGA story doesn't end here. This brand is building an ecosystem, a family of intelligent devices that redefine what home care means. Let's meet a few of them. Gear MONSGA MR1 SE, everyday simplicity, smart efficiency. The MONSGA MR1 SE brings the same precision and power, wrapped in a smaller, lighter design. With about 3,000 pascals of suction power, it's perfect for apartments or medium homes, quiet, slim, and impressively efficient. A perfect match for those who want automation without the premium price. Gear MONSGA MV3 cordless vacuum, freedom in your hands. And when you need that personal touch, there's the MONSGA MV3 cordless vacuum, powerful, portable, and cordless. With 45 kilopascals of suction, it's your go-to for stairs, cars, and quick cleanups. Pair it with the MONSGA robot vacuum, and you've got a complete home cleaning duo that covers every inch of your world. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that thumbs up like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss the next smart gadget reveal. Links to all products are below. Happy cleaning, and see you in the next one.